Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is an immaculate 2016 R162 Dublin registered Skoda Superb Automatic. It's a 120 brake horsepower ambition model with full service history, one owner and 2 keys. It has probably the best legroom of any car and it's been fully serviced in our own workshop and freshly valeted. It comes with climate control, air conditioning, automatic lights, automatic DSG gearbox, parking sensor, cruise control, heated seats, ISOFIX, Bluetooth and music streaming. It also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Mirror Link and a huge boot. Finance is available, and finance is available even for those with a poor credit history. The APR is from 6.9%. There's a finance calculator on our website and finance is available over 3, 4 or 5 years. Optional extended warranties are also available for 12 or even 24 months. We are located close to the Red Cow on Killeen Road, Dublin 10. We may be readily found on Google Maps, but please call prior to travelling to view. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.